Drones are everywhere, from aerial filming to extreme sports and even package delivery. But what makes them so versatile and innovative? Today, we'll discover the components of drones and how they work. A drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle that can be controlled remotely or fly autonomously. There are various types of drones, but today we will focus on the most common ones, quadcopters. The birth and evolution of drones took place in a purely military environment, with the first experiments dating back to World War I. The United States developed the Kettering bug in 1918, which is considered the first drone in history. It was a small, unmanned aircraft designed to carry explosives and fly towards a preset target. For civilian applications, we had to wait many years until the year 2000. With miniaturization of technology, drones became more accessible to non-military users. The first civilian drones were often used in aerial photography and environmental monitoring activities. Drone technology continues to progress rapidly, with advancements in artificial intelligence, autonomy, and flight capabilities. A drone consists of various key components that work together. Let's find out what they are. The frame. This structure holds everything together and is designed to be lightweight and durable. The frame is not just a physical structure, but is engineered to ensure stability and durability while minimizing overall weight. It must withstand vibrations, impacts, and stresses during flight, especially during abrupt maneuvers or hard landings. Drones must balance lightness and robustness, which is why specific materials like carbon fiber, ABS plastic, or aluminum are used. The frame design varies depending on the application and type of drone. In quadcopters, an X or H-shaped frame with 4 arms is common. Brushless motors and propellers. The movement of a drone is possible through electric motors known as brushless motors. These motors power the propellers, which generate the thrust needed to lift the drone and keep it airborne. The propellers spinning at different speeds allow the drone to move in all directions, forward, backward, sideways, and even rotate itself. Battery. Batteries are the energy source that power the entire system. They are one of the most critical components because they determine flight duration, available power, and overall performance. Most modern drones use LiPo or lithium polymer batteries. Flight controller. The flight controller is the brain of the drone, which interprets commands and stabilizes the flight. Sensors. Sensors such as gyroscopes and accelerometers help the drone maintain stability and orientation. A drone's flight relies on a perfect balance between power, control, and stability. Let's see how it works in detail. When all 4 propellers spin at the same speed, the drone lifts vertically. To move forward, the rear propellers spin faster than the front ones, creating forward thrust. The same logic applies to lateral movement, increasing speed on one side and reducing it on the other. But how does a drone rotate on itself or execute turning movements? This is where torque comes into play. A drone's motors spin in opposite directions, 2 clockwise and 2 counterclockwise. When the clockwise motors spin faster than the others, the drone rotates in the opposite direction. This principle allows the drone to maneuver precisely, even during rapid direction changes. Drones have become indispensable tools in many sectors, from precision agriculture to logistics, from cinematic filming to industrial inspections. Every day, new applications are being developed to make our work more efficient and safer. Drones are a fascinating combination of technology and innovation. Understanding how they work allows us to better appreciate their potential and future possibilities. Thank you for following along, and have a good flight. If you found this video useful, let us know by leaving a like and a comment. You can also share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We recommend you visit our website, jaescompany.com, to find out more about our upcoming projects and to stay updated on the latest industry news.